there we go. Apologies for the terrible lighting in some of these videos. I have a IKEA lamp here. There it is. And sometimes in the evening it can get a bit dim in here, and that's just how it ends up looking. Anyway, that's the Gera. I'm not sure. The only other video I've seen of this was from Neff, and he said it was Gera. I'll take his word for it. It's the Gera Magnetic. It's made by Iseo. It doesn't actually say Iseo on the lock. I don't know. But there's the key anyway. So apparently it's made by Iseo. And you can see the little magnet on position 4 there. It's just that high lift. I'm not sure if it's always a high lift. I suspect it is usually a high lift because it wouldn't be as difficult if it wasn't, I think. Anyway, whoops. Yeah, that's picked. I'll just lock it back up. I was tensioning it from using the front divot there. You can see that. You can see that's clearly picked. I'll lock that back up. And I picked this one Euro style because if you pick it this way around, the right way, I should say, if you pick it the right way around, the magnet pin doesn't do anything and it just picks normally because there's no spring in the chamber. It's a normal pin, except it's magnetic. But there's no spring in the chamber, so it'll just drop down and you just, when it's like this, it'll just sit in the bottom of the chamber and you can just pick it like a normal pin. But if you have it this way, it's gonna overset. So you have to pull it back up again. Now, I can't actually fit a magnet in there that easily. I tried fitting even just one of these little, like these little 1x2 magnets, like the one like I used the other day on the Capital cam lock. But maybe you can squeeze it in there, but this isn't my lock. I'm not gutting it, and I don't want to lose the magnet inside there. The other pins are actually steel, I think. And I don't want to lose the magnet in there, and it's not actually necessary. So I'm just fixing the focus. Because the pin itself is a magnet. So if you get anything magnetic, and Neff said that a lot of his picks weren't magnetic. I don't know if that's just like a thing with other brands, but the multi-pick ones and the Jimmy ones all are. So this is quite magnetic, flat end. So there's more surface area of metal to grab it, and all I do is just put that in there into position 4, and very carefully while pulsing tension you can just lift it up. So credit to Neff actually for giving me that idea. I just watched his video earlier. I probably wouldn't have thought of that myself, so yeah, thanks Neff. Anyway, yes, I picked that lock. That's the Gera Magnetic. I'll just show the key works. It's probably not a terrible idea. Key still works. You got it by, I guess, removing these C-clips, and it cuts normally, I think, but I'm not going to do that because it's not my lock. This was very graciously lent to me by HV Logic, and we'll be going back to him shortly. Thanks for watching.